Before you start working on your dishwasher, you're going to want to come up to your circuit breaker or fuse box, find your kitchen, and you're going to want to turn that off. Then turn the water off to the dishwasher. Now with the circuit breaker and water turned off, and this is true for pretty much all dishwashers, you're going to open up the door, and underneath there's going to be a couple mounting screws. So there's one here, and then there's one right here as well. You're just going to pull those out, and then you can slide the dishwasher out. Next, we're going to remove the little hex bolts for the kick plate on the bottom. And once we have those undone, we're also going to remove these 4 hex bolts for the inlet valve. So we'll take those off. And once we have those off, we're also going to disconnect. Next, we're going to take a pliers and we're going to grab this clamp and slide it up. Pull the inlet valve off. We're going to take that washer and put it onto the other one or replace it with a new washer. Reconnect the tubing. Reconnect the clamp. Then we're going to screw in the 4 bolts, reconnect the wiring. Next we will stand it back up, turn on the water, turn on the circuit breaker, and then we're going to put something under it and we're going to run a test. If it's not leaking, we'll put it all back together, screw it back in, and we'll be done. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out this video on how to clean out the bottom trap of your dishwasher, and we'll be done. And you're worried about eating organic. When you're done cleaning the slimy mess from below your dishwasher, maybe you want to learn how to pick the plaque off your dog's teeth, or maybe you want to learn how to clean some dew off the bottom of your shoes.
Arrgh.